Hi everybody, Grandpa here. Well, let's go ahead and recap what we've done with Dandelion and get just a little bit of what our next project's going to be, okay? I'll meet you there. And here we are, just recapping what we've done. We started with just a very simple outline, okay? And we used yellow, and we just took yellow's complement, which is purple or mauve, to darken it, and we went darker on the sides, lighter in here, and what it did is it gave it depth, and it gave it motion, okay? The head, again, we're a little darker around the edges, and we got the little eye dot in there, and the beak, got a nice little log for him to stand on, and a buddy for Dandelion, or lunch, I'm not sure which. We just used just a very, very abstract type background. And as you can see, we ended up with a very nice little painting. There was nothing really complicated about it. And you can do this. I promise you, you can do this. Okay, now, our next painting, what we're going to do is we're going to do a still life. Okay, and we're going to be using essentially the same color in that still life, but we're going to see how to make white on white paper. Okay, so be with me then. And until then, remember to like, subscribe, follow, give it a thumbs up, comment, for goodness sakes, comment. Let me know how we're doing. And we will see you tomorrow when we start on our still life. Until then, remember, I love you, I love you, I love you.